Hello students, my name is Arvind from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, and I am your subject teacher of Social Studies. And this video is helpful for class 4th students. Students, in today's video we are going to start our 6th chapter, that is the Thar Desert. Okay, in our previous videos we had completed till our 5th chapter, that was the Northern Plains. Okay, I hope that you had revised all that points which we had discussed in our previous videos regarding the northern plains. Okay, the three important river basins which forms the northern plains. Okay, what were three river basins? That were Satluj basin, the Gangetic basin, and the Brahmaputra basin. Okay, these three were the main important basins, and we had also discussed about the life and occupations of the people who are living in northern plains. Students, in today's video we are going to study about some different region of our country, that is the Thar desert. Okay, we had discussed previously also what is desert. Okay, so in this video we are going to read or study about some other part or different landforms, we can say, that is desert area of our country, which is the Thar desert, which lies in the state of Rajasthan. Students, before starting this chapter, I hope that you all are good at your homes and following the precautions regarding COVID-19, and please be safe, be healthy, and eat healthy. Situations will be very normal very soon. Okay, don't be panic, don't take stress. Now students, see in your left side of this page, sorry, page number 40. Okay, page number 40 in your social studies book. Sorry, in the left side it is written learning outcomes. Okay, this one, learning outcomes. What it is written in this? By the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe the landforms, climate, and vegetation of the Thar desert. Okay, describe the life and sorry, describe the life and occupation of the people living in the Thar. So these are the 2 points which we are going to learn after the completion of this chapter. What it is? Describe the landforms, climate, and vegetation of the Thar desert. Describe the life and occupation of the people living in the Thar. Okay, first one is about what is the landforms in the Thar desert, what is the climate of the Thar desert, and what type of vegetation is there in the Thar desert. Second point is what is the life and occupation of the people who are living in the Thar. So these are the 2 points which we are going to discuss in this video. Now in right hand side there is a let's do it column given here. This is your class work. Okay, when we are going to meet physically in our school, then we are going to complete this practical work. Okay, now see from this point, the Thar is a vast stretch of sandy desert in northwestern India. Okay, the Thar is a vast stretch, means a very big stretch of sandy desert, or we can say sandy land in northwestern India. Okay, the Thar desert lies in our country in the northwestern part of our India. Okay, northwestern part of our country. It is also known as the Great Indian Desert. Okay, the Thar Desert is also known as the Great Indian Desert, and the major part of this desert lies in the Indian state of Rajasthan, and part of it lies in eastern Pakistan. Okay, with the help of part of this map, which is given on your page number 41 in your book, you can see the map of northwestern part of India, and this is the region where the Thar Desert or Great Indian Desert lies. Okay, this is the region. So top of on your page it is written Indian state of Rajasthan, and part of it lies in eastern Pakistan. Okay, some part of Thar Desert lies in eastern Pakistan, and most of the part of Thar Desert lies in state of Rajasthan. Okay, northwestern part of our country. Now second point is climate. Okay, climate. What is the climate of Thar Desert? Okay, the Thar Desert has a hot and arid climate. It receives less than 10 centimeters of rainfall in a year. Okay, it means that the Thar Desert is very hot and humid area, and it receives less than 10 centimeters of rainfall in a year. May and June are the hottest months of the year, with temperature rising to as much as 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, May and June, these 2 months are the hottest months of the year, with temperature rising to as much as 50 degrees Celsius. It means in May and June the Thar Desert is hottest throughout the year, or we can say in 12 months these 2 months, May and June, is the hottest months in Thar Desert, and the temperature of the Thar Desert in May and June is 50 degrees Celsius, which is, we can say, very much hot. On the other hand, the temperature during the night can drop as low as 2 to 5 degrees Celsius in January during the winter. Okay, in winters the temperature of the night can drop as low as 2 to 5 degrees Celsius in January during the winter season. Okay, in January month, which comes in winter season, the temperature of Thar Desert in night falls to 2 to 5 degrees Celsius, which is very much cold. Now after that, second point is landforms. Okay, second point is landforms. Most of the Thar is covered by sand. On this flat and sandy plain are found gently rolling hills of sand called sand dunes. Okay, in this picture which is given in the left side, I can show you with the help of pointer this picture. Okay, most of the Thar is covered by sand. On this flat and sandy plain are found gently rolling hills of sand called sand dunes. Okay, this type of area. Okay, this type of rolling hills of sand. Okay, this type of rolling hills, okay, in the form of rolling hills which is made by sand, this type of part is called sand dunes. Okay, strong winds blow across the desert, causing the dunes to shift and giving rise to massive sand storms. Okay, Strong winds means winds are the flow of winds are very much strong and blow across the desert, and they blow winds blow across the desert, causing the dunes to shift. Dunes are the formation of the rolling hills which is formed by sand is shifted due to strong winds and giving rise to massive sandstorms. And strong winds, they help to rise the massive sandstorms. Okay, sandstorms means it is a type of very strong wind, and it flows the parts of sand with them. Okay, now in second paragraph, water is usually found, I am reading from this point. Okay, water is usually found deep below the ground. Water is found very much deep below the ground. At places, this underground water comes up to the surface. There is usually some greenery around these patches of water. Such an area in the desert is called an oasis. Okay, what is oasis means? Oasis means this. Okay, in circle, in red circle, you can see a water source, a small pond of water which is found on different parts of desert. This type of water source is called oasis. Okay, and some important plants or trees are grown around this oasis. Okay, these are the underground water which comes up to the surface. Oasis is the underground water which comes up to the surface in some parts of the desert, and this is known as oasis. Okay, you can see the picture also, sand dunes in the Thar with an oasis in the middle. Okay, in the center it is a oasis, and around to oasis there are sand dunes, and you can see some trees over there. Now we are going to discuss the third point regarding Thar desert, which is vegetation and animals. Vegetation and animals. What type of vegetation or plants, type varieties of plants are grown in Thar desert, and what type of animals are being found in Thar desert? As a result of the arid climate and the sandy soil, not many plants grow here. Okay, as we know, the temperature is too hot and there is no rainfall in desert area, or we can say in the Thar desert we have no rainfall and it is very hot and dry area. Okay, so what it results? It results that not so many plants or variety of plants grow here. We mostly find thorny shrubs, bushes and cactus. Okay, we mostly find thorny shrubs, bushes and cactus. Date palms, khejri, kikar and babul trees and grass grow where there is some water. Okay, mainly we found thorny shrubs, bushes and cactus because they store water in their roots, stems, okay, trunks. They stored water in their different parts of plants. So these type of plants are very much famous in Thar desert. Some important trees which we found in Thar desert is near the water, that are date palms, khejri, kikar and babul trees and grass grow where there is some water. After that, what it is written from here, one of the animals most commonly seen in the Thar is the camel. Okay, camel is the most commonly animal seen in Thar because it is very much suitable according to the climate of Thar desert. Okay, camel is habitual of living in hot and dry region of Thar desert because it stores plenty of water in its stomach and they are able to survive up to some extent or up to some days due to help of that water stored in their stomach. After that, black bucks and gazelles known as chinkara are also found in the grassy areas of the Thar. Okay, black bucks and gazelles known as chinkara. These two types of animals are type of animal from the family of deer family. Okay, so these are the two animals, black bucks and gazelles known as chinkara, are also found in the grassy areas of the Thar. Okay, many different types of lizards, snakes and insects live here. Okay, on top of this page, which is page number 42, you can see some pictures of camel and black bucks. These are the animals mainly found in Thar desert. Okay, after that we are going to discuss life in the Thar. It means what is the life of the people who are living in the Thar desert. Okay, so this point we are going to discuss in our next video. Till that, you are supposed to revise the points which we had discussed in this video. Okay, hope you are getting my points. Okay, and you are able to understand what I am teaching you. So please revise it again and again. Okay, try to understand the different words, or if you are not getting the different words, sorry, hard words, then you are supposed to find the meanings with the help of dictionary. Okay, with the help of your parents you are supposed to find the difficult words in dictionary and try to understand the chapter. Till then, please be safe, be healthy, don't take stress, don't be panic. Okay, thank you so much. We'll meet in next video with next topic. Till then, goodbye and thank you so much for supporting.